Here are hypothetical print times for a simple 5x5x5 cm cube using the mentioned materials. Printing a 5x5x5 cm cube with PLA or polylactic acid typically takes around 1 hour. This swift print time highlights PLA's efficiency and reliability, making it an excellent choice for projects that require quick turnaround times. The material's ease of use and minimal warping contribute to its popularity, allowing users to achieve high-quality prints in a relatively short period. Printing a 5x5x5 cm cube with ABS or acrylonitrobutadiene styrene generally takes about 1.5 hours. This extended print time compared to PLA is due to the need for higher print temperatures and a heated bed to prevent warping. Despite the longer duration, ABS strength and slight flexibility make it ideal for producing durable, functional parts, ensuring the extra time investment results in robust and reliable components. Printing a 5x5x5 cm cube with PETG or polyethylene terephthalate glycol mirrors the time investment required for ABS, clocking in at approximately 1.5 hours of meticulous layering. Unlike its counterparts, PETG showcases a unique blend of properties, offering print speeds akin to ABS while mitigating the challenges of warping and adhesion commonly associated with 3D printing. This ease of use doesn't compromise on quality. Rather, it ensures that the resulting components are not only robust but also reliably precise. With PETG's smooth extrusion and superior adhesion, the finished cube stands as a testament to the harmonious balance between efficiency and excellence in the world of additive manufacturing.